make your value visible. If you're a light, if you hide your light under a bushel, of what good is the light? So make your value visible. This is where many professionals struggle. You create value, but nobody knows. You're doing a lot. I know you're doing a lot. You're excellent at what you do. I know you're brilliant. I know you're really committed to your work. But unfortunately, nobody's seeing the value you're bringing. Nobody's seeing what you're doing. So visibility is not about bragging or showing off. Visibility is communication. So I want you to increase your visibility this week. If I start today, share your project updates. Let people know what you're doing. Give updates on the task that you've been given. Don't wait for your manager to say, oh, so give me an update. No. Write them an email, walk up to them and tell them, oh, this is what I'm working on. This is that. These are the dependencies. These are the blockers. Let them know. Give them an update before they ask you. A lot of times when people ask you for an update, it's because you're not giving them one. So don't give people room to question your ability. So be smart. Before they ask you for update, give them one. By the time you start doing that, people begin to see you differently. So other ways you can do that is to present your findings. Speak up to present your findings, whatever you've discovered. Let people know. Don't hide it. Don't say, oh, I'm just going to tell one person. Let people know. Write an email, copy the relevant people, and let them know your findings. Speak up in meetings. Document achievements, let people know what you've done, people know the recommendations you're making. Just contribute ideas, think about problems that have not even surfaced yet and how you can bring them to light and also propose solutions to them. So smart, think ahead. What is it that people are not even thinking about now that you're already thinking about it? That, okay, what's going to happen in the next 2 months or 3 months? Maybe the policy, the legislation is changing. How does that impact how we work? You're thinking ahead, you're thinking strategically, you're thinking like a leader. That's how to bring value, yeah? So think about it this way. If I don't come to work tomorrow, what would people say about me? I mean, would anyone even notice? Would anyone even know that I'm not at work? What is the value that people can say I'm bringing if suddenly something happened and I can't make it to work, or I'm changing jobs suddenly? And will people panic that you're not there? Will people say, oh, this is the value this person is bringing? Or will they say good riddance to bad rubbish? Or would they just ignore you and say, oh, that's fine? Always will get somebody better. So think about what you want people to think about you when you leave your organization. Are you somebody that's going to leave impact? Or are you people that say, oh, let them go. I don't need her in the first place. She's not bringing any value in the first place. So be that person that people can ignore. So I've shared with you 5 different tips on how you can be that person that is the go-to person that's creating value, not just because you want people to like you, or you want to get accolades, but even for yourself. You'll be proud of yourself. You'll be proud of your achievements. It will build your morale. It will build your confidence when people trust you, when people can say, oh, I know this person can do the job. I know the person that can do that. And I can tell you that being the go-to person sometimes can be overwhelming. But would you rather not be the go-to person? Would you rather be the person that everybody ignores and know that they can't bring any value to the organization? So, and I can tell you, being the go-to person can sometimes be overwhelming. It may mean more work, more time you have to spend doing stuff. But at the end of the day, who do you want to be? Somebody that when opportunity comes, they can easily say, oh, this is the person that we know can do the job. Or people that they will ignore. So comment yes, and I'll send like an action plan that will help you to become that go-to person that you should be. So don't forget to follow and share with your loved ones.